We all have dreams, but often do we make them come true? Many of us, when young, have a great dreams. We do not allow circumstances to limit how far we dream. We feel enthusiastic, ready to conquer the world. However, we grow a little bit older, and after hitting obstacles and failures, we start to stop believing in us and lose our enthusiasm, faith, and ambition. We settle into small life. Either we forget our dreams or they just become vague or powerless wishes. How many times have you people told you that you cannot succeed? How many times have you people laughed at your dreams and tried to disgrace you? Probably many times. If you give up on your dreams, you might not be happy and often complain to your life and your environment. You might feel that life could be different if you didn't give up. If you give up on your dreams, you will not live the unique life you wanted when you were younger. If children are allowed to dream, grown up people can dream too, no matter what other people say. If you believe that you can succeed and do not listen to anyone who says otherwise, with persistence, discipline, and faith in yourself, you can reach. There is one more thing to be said. If you really want to achieve something, you need to also be unique. Don't try to become someone else. Be unique and people will notice you. If you do the same things other people will do, you might be successful, but probably not a big scale. To be successful on your grand scale and be noticed, you need to be yourself, be unique and be different from others. Learn from others, that would be the most helpful, but you don't need to follow their steps and become a copycat. Do not be afraid to be unique. Do not be afraid to be different. When you are unique in what you want to do, and whether it is writing a book or building a business or become an actor or become an athlete, you will become a leader or not follower. Never give up hope. All things are working for your good. One day you will look back on everything you have been through and thank God for it. Giving up is a bad, but giving up early is even worse, because in the second case, we haven't even tried to enough. Chase your dreams. Never doubt your capabilities to come out a winner. Struggle hard, but never give up the chase to achieve your dreams. Impossible means you just didn't do it yet. There will be always be disappointments and rejections in this game, but it's that part of writing journey, and everyone's journey is different. Dreams are your bone. Our dreams stay with us till we realize them. We can never ignore our dreams. It is because of our dreams that we get inspired to keep on working and striving harder to achieve our life purpose. A life spent in achieving and realizing our dreams make life meaningful. If you have dreams, then wake up early, put on your boots and start your hustle.